Good day, everyone. Jeff here again with MarineMax here at Lake of the Ozarks, and today we are on a brand new 2025 Harris Grand Mariner 250. And as you can see, we've already got the Vantage tune protection guards on there as well as the awesome new lily pad ladder. Easy to get on up in the boat. Large swim platform, storage up underneath here, lays down into a full bed, faces forward, faces aft. And then we've got the dual helm seats, also with the joystick piloting system here on this tri-tune you got to come check out. Super large loungers up underneath, all waterproof storage underneath the benches. This is a 2025 Harris Grand Mariner 250 here at MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. My name is Jeff, 573-606-3035. Have a fantastic day.